Ashley Hawk, a registered dietitian, TV host, and mom of two. And believe me, I know the holiday season can be busy. But there is also no better way to bring people together and to spread love and joy than through food. And that is why I'm so proud to partner with the Wonderful Company, because they have high quality, versatile products that are going to help us do just that. Up first, Pom Wonderful 100% Pomegranate Juice is spreading so much more than holiday cheer, because in every serving, you're getting over 700 milligrams of potent polyphenol antioxidants. Plus, the juice is made from whole pressed pomegranates to release the polyphenols from the rind, piths, and arils, all with no filler and never any added sugar. Mocktails like this gorgeous crown jewel are made from 4 ounces of the pomegranate juice and garnished with the palm arils. So it's a great way to stay hydrated while still being social and able to avoid alcohol this holiday season. And of course, we need to have something to pair it with. So let me introduce you to my Glow Up Holiday Snack Board. This contains complete proteins from the wonderful pistachios, as well as polyphenol antioxidants from the Pom Wonderful Arils. Now, many of us have tried nut butters, but have you tried a pistachio nut butter? This contains complete protein from the pistachios, which means it has all 9 essential amino acids. Along with that, every serving of pistachios is going to give you 6 grams of plant-based protein and 3 grams of fiber. Plus, the fats in the pistachios contain 90% unsaturated fats. So it's really this awesome trio of nutrients to help you stay full and energized longer. An added bonus is this snack board also contains these palm arils, and in every serving of the palm arils, you're going to be getting 5 grams of fiber. So not only does it look like eye candy, but it's also going to be doing good for you. And of course, we have to have an entree, so I am loving this caché e pepe. This is made with the wonderful pistachio, no shell, sea salt, and pepper flavor. It's a new flavor this season, and you can use it to make this decadent, creamy pasta. And the good news is, every serving of this pasta is going to give you 19 grams of protein, so it is a no-brainer dish to make on a cold evening. And we had to save the best for last, so over here we have the dark chocolate Pom Wonderful Tarts. These are made from both the reduced palm juice as well as the palm arils. And the good news is that Pom tested those antioxidant qualities to make sure that they stand even when the juice is cooked. And it turns out you're still getting that antioxidant punch even when the juice is reduced. You're getting all those wonderful polyphenol antioxidants, making it a no-brainer to amp up the antioxidants in any holiday desserts this holiday season. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. And if you want to learn more, you can go to @WonderfulPistachios and @PomWonderful.